Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you case studies of national income. Only one case study I'll be discussing. You will just read the statement. Net factor income from abroad refers to difference between factor income received from rest of the world and factor income paid to the rest of the world. Yes, it is true. NFIA is the difference between factor income from abroad and factor income to abroad. FIFA minus theta. Next statement is saying NFIA is significant to differentiate between domestic income and national income. डोमेस्टिक इनकम और नेशनल इनकम के बीच का अगर डिफरेंस देखना है तो हमें क्या करना होगा, NFIA निकालना होगा. तो NFIA सिग्निफिकेंट है. नाउ इन प्रैक्टिकल टर्म्स, प्रैक्टिकल एस्टिमेट्स, अगर रियलिटी में हम लोग जब उसको निकालते हैं, न्यूमेरिकल जब करते हैं, तो डोमेस्टिक इनकम इज ऑलवेज एस्टिमेटेड फर्स्ट. पहले डोमेस्टिक इनकम निकालते हैं एंड फ्रॉम दिस डोमेस्टिक इनकम वी ऑलवेज डिराइव नेशनल इनकम. ये चीज़ समझ में आ गई. नाउ जस्ट लुक एट द क्वेश्चंस. वेरी इजी टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. सच टाइप ऑफ केस स्टडीज और मे बी सम डिफिकल्ट केस स्टडीज विल ऑल्सो कम वेयर यू हैव टू पे मच अटेंशन एंड यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच एंड एवरी लाइन ऑफ इट एंड देन you have to answer. Such questions will come which will contain 4 questions, either maybe of 1 mark each or 2 questions maybe of 2 marks each. 4 marks में ये case studies आएंगी लगभग. Now question number 1. How is national income derived from domestic income? First question is national income domestic income से कैसे derive होती है. So we can simply write the formula. You can look at the answer. Domestic income plus NFIA is equal to national income. When we have to calculate national income, we have to add net factor income from abroad in domestic income. Then we can calculate national income. So this is the formula. Another one is what is meant by factor income from abroad. What do you mean by factor income from abroad? Here net is not written. Now you have to pay attention. This is factor income from abroad. तो पहले हमें ये देखना factor incomes क्या होती हैं. Whatever factors of production are earning. Factors of production means land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. Land, labor, capital, entrepreneur get rent for land, salaries and wages for labor, interest for capital and profit for entrepreneur. These are the factor incomes. And factor income from abroad means the residents of our country, whatever they have earned from the rest of the world in the form of factor income is known as factor income from abroad. So the answer will be, you can look at the definition, the income earned by the normal residents of the country from the rest of the world in the form of wages and salaries, rent, interest, dividend and retained earnings. This dividend and retained earnings can be written as one thing, profit. Now the third question says NFIA is dash when income earned from abroad is less than income paid to abroad. Now you can calculate it. If it has been given income earned from abroad, income earned from abroad का मतलब हो जाएगा हमारा factor income from abroad. FIFA, say suppose FIFA is 20 and factor income to abroad we can say it is 30 because यहाँ पे लिखा ना factor income earned from abroad is less, so we have taken factor income from abroad less than theta. So now what will be the NFIA? NFIA will be 20 minus 30, that means it will be minus 10. So when we will write minus 10, NFIA will be 20 minus 30 is equal to minus 10. So minus 10 means it is negative. So here NFIA will be negative. I hope you understood. NFIA क्या होगा? Negative होगा जब हमारा factor income from abroad is less than factor income to abroad. I hope this one is clear to you. And now let us go to the next question, last question. What is the value of NFIA in a closed economy? Now dear ones, closed economy is that economy in which we do not transact with the rest of the world. सिर्फ हम अपनी ही इकोनॉमी में काम कर रहे हैं, अपनी कंट्री की इकोनॉमी में काम करते हैं, बाहर से हमारी कोई डीलिंग नहीं है, कोई ट्रांजैक्शन नहीं है. दैट इज द क्लोज्ड इकोनॉमी. दैट मीन्स इन द पिक्चर रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज नॉट देयर. एंड इफ द रेस्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड इज नॉट देयर तो ना तो फैक्टर इनकम फ्रॉम अब्रॉड होगी ना फैक्टर इनकम टू अब्रॉड होगी. सो द वैल्यू ऑफ द NFIA विल बी 0. Right? I hope you understand this, how to answer these questions. In my next video, I'll be discussing more assertion reasons and case studies. Thank you. God bless you all.